Assalamu alaikum everyone. After a long time I am here in my village and I am here to make a video for the purpose of all people who are really interested in learning English but they are not able to speak a single word in English. So did you ever ask any questions to yourself that why I can't speak in English very well? Many individuals are able but I am not. Why? Why I can't speak in English? The main reason is we don't have confidence. If you don't have confidence, you won't be able to speak in English very well. So you have to know how to speak in all situations. Speaking in the world situation can help you to be courageous. As you know that being courageous or courageousness is very required, very significant to improve your English skill. So always try to be courageous. Your courageousness can help you. Your courageousness can play significant roles to level up your English skill. Your courageousness can help you to level up your English skill. So why are you having late? You are having late means you are damaging yourself. So start from today to improve your English skill. If you are not able or if you face any problems to detect any mistake, you can take consultation from a teacher. The teacher can help you to detect your mistake. As you know that detecting your mistake is very important or very significant. Okay, so do you know what is the another reason of not knowing how to speak in English very well? The another reason is we don't have a tendency to listen a lot. As you know that listening is very significant. And if you don't have tendency, if you don't have intention of listening a lot, we won't be able to speak in English. So those people who have been a successful English speaker, they were a big fan of listening. So there is nothing to underestimate listening. So try to focus on listening to develop your English skill if you want to be dignified English speaker. Without being a big fan of listening, there is no chance to be dignified English speaker. So do you know who are dignified English speaker? I mean those people who are able to speak in English very well, I mean without having any mistake. So if you don't want to have any mistake in your spoken English, you have to try a lot. Without trying, never hope to get something in spoken English. Okay, so today you don't know how to speak in English very well, but do you believe that this weakness will last a long time? Definitely, this weakness won't last a long time. Just keep practicing how you are practicing today. So the people of society are very expert in demotivating people. Whenever you are trying to speak in English, they will say that the man is going to be mad. So if you listen to them, you won't be able to speak in English very well. Today I have shared some tips and tricks that are very significant that can help you to be courageous, to be confident or dominant English speaker. So I want to say one thing at the last of my video, that never be demotivated, whatever people say. Okay, so this is your life and you have to change your life at your own risk. No one will support you, no one will help you to be skilled speaker. This is your life and you have to change your own life